CPABuild is a platform that allows users to create and monetize content lockers, surveys, and other lead generation tools. Here's how you can potentially make money on CPABuild. Create high-quality content. Develop engaging content that attracts your target audience. This could be in the form of articles, videos, or other types of online content. Build a website or landing page. Create a website or landing page where you can showcase your content. Use CPABuild's tools to integrate content lockers or surveys into your pages. Choose high-converting offers. Browse CPABuild's list of offers and select those that are likely to resonate with your audience. High-converting offers can lead to increased earnings. Optimize user engagement. Encourage users to complete the required actions to access your content. Consider using incentives to boost engagement. Explore niche marketing. Target specific niches where there is demand for the offers you are promoting. Tailor your content to address the interests and needs of your chosen niche. Utilize social media. Promote your content and offers on social media platforms to increase visibility and drive traffic to your site. Experiment with paid advertising. Consider investing in paid advertising to further promote your content and reach a larger audience.